Day 22.
Welcome back. We are getting to the last 3 days.
Yeah, we have 3 bottles of wine left in our box here.
It went fast and slow all in the same. You know, it's such a busy month and life goes by so quickly. And we've done this every single day of December so far. So
blink your eye and it's already Christmas. I can't believe we were just talking about. Hopefully it doesn't go by so fast. We're already here. So excited to be, wrapping this up, but also, looking forward to, I don't know, maybe not every day, but like adventuring out a little bit more and trying a couple more wines. Like
we found varietals. Some wines that we didn't know we liked, or varietals we didn't even know about. So it's been a lot of fun. So
what do you think today is white? You said Prosecco?
Yeah, I guess Prosecco, yeah.
Okay.
I think we're gonna get down to some like celebratory
wines.
Yeah. Do you want to open?
Sure, I'll open this one.
Okay, maybe it's closer to you anyway.
Maybe it'll be my opening that gives you a Prosecco.
Prosecco.
Oh, sorry, it's not a Prosecco.
Oh, red?
Oh, maybe it is. I don't know.
No.
Oh, shit. Oh my god.
The whole box is gonna fall apart now.
Oh.
Sauvignon Blanc.
Sauvignon Blanc.
From where? France?
From France. So, Maison du Lac, Bordeaux, Appellation d'Original Protégé, Sauvignon Blanc from France.
I've never had
a Sauvignon Blanc from France? Interesting.
From Bordeaux, France. I've never had. That's interesting.
From Bordeaux. So a Sauvignon Blanc from Bordeaux. That's an interesting bottle right there.
That is interesting.
You think of Sancerre when you think of like a varietal like this.
Yeah.
So that'd be an interesting one to taste.
Ooh. All right.
It's the noise you don't want to make when you're pulling. This is the best looking cork, I think, out of all of them. So we have our Sauvignon Blanc from France, Bordeaux, France, to be specific, which is kind of interesting.
It's very interesting. I'm really curious to try this. Oh.
What's it smell like?
It smells a lot more grapefruity than a Sancerre. Yeah, it's very.
Way. This is like New Zealand.
This smells like New Zealand. Yeah. Grapefruit bomb.
Huh.
Honeydew.
Very acidic.
Yeah, I can feel it already.
My mouth is watering smelling it. Yeah. Interesting. Well, cheers to our Sauvignon Blanc from Bordeaux, France.
Cheers to warm wine. The whole month.
This
is good.
Yeah, it's not like overly. I mean, you can taste the acidity. I will say it does have like some of that grapefruity element to
definitely
it.
A lot of grapefruit.
But it's not like my mouth is like watering now. But it's not like it's not like a New Zealand where like it feels like you get kicked in the face with like a grapefruit or whatever after you're done drinking it. You're like, whoa. This is nice. It's refreshing, even room temp. But it's not overly acidic.
No.
I catch the acid, but it's like
it's
enough to make your mouth water.
Grassy too. A little bit herbal, like grassy.
Yep.
Fresh cut grass. Grapefruits laying in fresh cut grass.
All right, let's read it. This Bordeaux Sauvignon Blanc presents vibrant notes of fresh fruit and citrus. It is a dry, fine wine with a lively character, complemented by delicate after flavors that enhance its crisp and refreshing finish. This white wine is 11.5% alcohol by volume, and it's from 2024. So
I love it.
It is very refreshing. Good. Yeah.
It says Sauvignon Blanc production in Bordeaux dates back to the 16th century. Interesting.
Oh.
Initially cultivated in Loire Valley, which is where a lot of Sancerres come from, actually. Okay. The grape was introduced to Bordeaux, where it found a new home. Over time, winemakers in Bordeaux began blending Sauvignon Blanc with Semillon to create the region's renowned dry white wines. The combination of these two grapes produced wines with a unique balance of acidity and richness. In addition to dry wine, Sauvignon Blanc is also a key component in the production of Bordeaux's famous sweet wines, such as Sauternes, Today, Sauvignon Blanc continues to be an integral part of Bordeaux's winemaking tradition, celebrated for its crisp, fresh flavors and ability to reflect the region's diverse terroir.
I like it.
Seafood, salads, goat cheese, poultry, vegetable, and sushi.
Nice. Sauvignon Blanc for sushi. That's a good idea. Probably be very refreshing after like rich and fatty fish. Yum. We eat a lot of sushi, so that would be.
Ooh, seared scallops.
Ooh.
Be good with scallops.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Huh.
It's good. I like it.
I like it a lot.
Yeah.
So,
You like it a lot?
Yeah, I mean, it's good. I don't
Yeah.
think it's like. I don't think it's bad. I like it. I like it.
It's more acidic than Sancerre usually is. I feel like Sancerres are usually rounded out by a little bit of floral notes and stone fruit notes,
Sure.
while still being dry and acidic. But this reads more Sauvignon Blanc like.
Yeah.
Like
a true Sauvignon
true-
Blanc.
yeah.
It's good.
Yeah,
I definitely like it more than like a California Sauvignon Blanc.
definitely.
Definitely. Let's rate it.
This is a hard one for me.
Ready?
Yep.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
8. That's high.
I like it.
Cool. Okay. You'll
I
like
like
it
it.
even better when it's cold then.
I know. I like it room temp. I think it's it's a refreshing wine. It's actually like it's very nice. So I think this you can drink it without or without food. I'm excited to try it cold. So
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna pop it in the fridge.
get
right
it in
now.
the fridge here. Yeah.
Yeah, have
so
some dinner and have this wine.
well, and I feel like as we're getting towards the end of this, maybe we're gonna keep them a little bit more condensed, just because we don't need to talk like super in length about these wines. So cutting that out certainly. So okay. Well, we're gonna get this in the fridge then. We'll try it. Let you know if anything revolutionary happens when we taste it a little bit later.
No, it's good. I think
We have 2 wines left. Are we getting a champagne?
I hope so.
What do you think it's gonna be? Champagne?
I'd be kind of bummed if they didn't give us a champagne. I mean, they can make tiny corks,
Yeah.
tiny champagne corks.
Yeah.
I really think day 24 is gonna be a champagne.
Okay.
Like a champagne from Champagne, France.
I would like 2 more. I mean, we've had a lot of French wines. I'd like 2 more reds, please.
Probably. It's probably gonna be a red tomorrow.
Red and then and then maybe a champagne. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Day
Okay,
23.
we're getting down.
We are
Down
getting
to it.
down to the end here. So see you tomorrow.
Bye. Did everyone see Sean's shirt?
I wore it for you.